Hi guys, I have taken Sami's training, which is really amazing, and I found it extremely valuable for me. In this training, Sami taught us how to find profitable product, which is in high in demand and low in competition. Because as a beginner seller, it is very important to have such to launch such product that have the minimum risk involved. And Sami taught us that how to validate the competition and how to validate our product like as a beginner, whether we can launch the product successfully. And apart from that, Sami taught us each and every little steps that is required in selling in Amazon, from finding product without any paid tool also, how to source the product, how to source the product from locally as well as from China, and how to run PPC and optimize the PPC by reducing how to reduce echoes, how to packaging, how to get reviews, and how to fill GST, each and every little step that is required in selling in Amazon. Sami and how he is exactly doing. He taught us everything thoroughly. Not only that, but also after training is completed, Sami is very helpful and giving continuous support and guidance, even if he is very busy. This training has proved extremely valuable because definitely Sami has over delivered us, and for that I am very grateful to Sami. Thank you.